Hey guys, this is a review from what we did at the end of last semester. We're doing inequalities. Those are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So, if I have a less than or greater than, remember when we graph it, it's an open circle. If I have a greater than equal to and a less than an equal to, when I graph it, it's a closed circle. And remember to flip the inequality sign if you multiply or divide by a negative. And we'll review so you can practice. This first one, my goal is to get the x by himself. So the first thing I do is subtract 9 because that's the opposite. And I get x is left on this side. I copy the sign. Less than or equal to 5 minus 9 is a negative 4. Because this is less than or equal to, I put a solid circle on the negative 4. And because my sign is going that way, it looks like an arrow, I draw it that way to the left on the graph. All right, this next one, I need to get rid of that 6 on that side so the x is by himself. So I'm going to add 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. I've got an x left on the left side. Since I'm just adding or subtracting, I copy the sign. So this one is greater than or equal to, so it's a solid circle on the 10, and my arrow is going to the right because it matches the sign. Number 3, we're going to be doing the same kind of thing. We're trying to get the x by himself. There's a negative 21 and an x. We know that between them, they are being, we can't see it, but we know there's a little dot, they're being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. What I do to one side, I do to the other. I divide that. I'm left with an x. 42 divided by negative 21 is a negative 2. All right, this one, you got to be extra careful. I divided by a negative number. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip the sign. So it's an open circle on negative 2, and it's going to go to the right. Oops. All right, for this next one, we see a division bar. We know the opposite of division is multiplication. I have an x on this side. I have a 5 on this side. I multiplied by a regular 5, so I do not flip the sign. So it's an open circle on the 5, and it's going to go to the right. So you solve two-step equations and two-step inequalities the same way. So the ones above were one step. Now we're going to do two-step. Except when you multiply a negative number, sorry, fix that on there. I have the wrong wording. You must do the same thing. Flip the inequality sign. Okay, so let's look at 5 through 8. All right, our first step, our goal is to get the x by himself. So first we need to put our like terms together. So that means I need to move that minus 1. The only way to move a minus 1 is to add 1. So on the left, I'm left with 4x. I'm going to copy down my sign. Negative 17 plus 1 is negative 16. Okay, now I'm still trying to get rid of get rid of the 4, so the x will be by himself. We know they're being multiplied. I'm going to divide by 4. I divided by a positive number, so we just keep the sign the same. X is less than or equal to negative 4. Closed circle on negative 4 to the left. All right, let's look at number 6. My like terms are a 5 and a negative 13. So I need to move that 5 away To move him away, he's a positive 5, so I need to subtract 5. Negative 13 minus 5 is negative 18, and I've got my negative 9x greater than or equal to negative 18. Okay, now we know that the negative 9 and the x are being multiplied, so we have to divide them. When I divide by a negative number, I flip the sign. So an x is left on the left, flip it, less than or equal to negative 18 divided by negative 9 is 2. Close circle, and it's going to go to the left. All right, this one's a little different. When I have these guys up here on top, they're kind of a little group. So the first thing I need to put together are the 2's. So I need this 2 right here to go away. Well, how do we move a divided by 2? We multiply. So now I have 4 plus 4 plus x on this side of the equation, less than 2 times 2 is 4. When I multiplied, those were just a positive number, so the sign stays the same. I'm going to subtract 4. I'm left with an x is less than 0. 0 is an okay answer. So this is an open circle, and it goes to the left. Last one for the day. So I got to put together my like terms. It'll be my minus 2 and my 1. The opposite of a minus 2 is to add. Wow. I'm going to add 2. Add 2 to each side. X over 3, I keep the sign the same, less than 3. All right. Now to get the x by himself, it's being divided. So I do the opposite and I multiply. It's positive, so you do not flip the sign. X is greater than 9. Open circle on 9, and it goes to the right. I need you to copy down all these notes, and then I need you to post a picture of that on our Google Classroom for me. The easiest way is to probably download the Google Classroom app on your phone, and then you can just take a picture with your phone and then post it that way. I need to start doing that instead of texting. It's just better practice. All right, thank you. Miss you guys. Bye.